Welcome to the channel. We got a couple things to get across. I want to thank the inspector for checking out the garage, making sure everything was good. We've got a little bit of engine stuff, a little bit of bolt-on engine components, and some body work happened. Most of all, we've got a t-shirt draw, and since Vanna's going to be here to give me a hand with that, I thought I'd run a song that I wrote for her almost 30 years ago. Can you believe 30 years ago? So anyways, we'll be back with the update and the t-shirt draw. Hang around for a minute. Alright, so this is a whole new thing. I'm not used to having help, and today I have help. Vanna's here to give me a hand. We already put the intake on top of the engine just for the time being. You saw that we got all the bottom of it prepped, and we got the splash pan installed, as well as the original, well, we were calling it steel wool, but it's actually kind of a different kind of mesh. And while we're on that intake topic, I gotta say that there it is. Oh my goodness. So we spent over an hour looking for this, and I'm pretty sure this is not a common part to find. Anyways, it was around when we were using the parts washer and getting everything done, and then it just vanished. Well, the pump quit in the parts washer, and we had dumped out the remaining cleaner fluid that was in there and after over an hour's search, we found it in the pail of the old cleaner, as a matter of fact, with the mesh for the intake. So this was a pretty valuable piece. It's in really good shape, and of course that's going to be going on the intake. So I keep this on the top of the toolbox where it won't get lost anymore, and that's the update on the intake. Just need some prep on top of it, and of course it will get painted when we paint the entire block. This is just a quick update. The transmission has seen a coat of clear coat, and the bell housing is all bolted back to the transmission body now. So we're going to paint the levers black, and then that pretty much is going to be done, other than putting the torque converter in. We probably put a coat of clear on the torque converter. It still hasn't been painted. The bolt-on accessories. This has taken several attempts. This started with a lot of hammer and dolly work, and I had to heat the front of this pan up because it was caved in. And now we did a couple of hand sanding. You saw the three of us had stations and we were running over everything. This is pretty good now. We think this is ready for a coat of epoxy primer, and then of course all these pieces that go on top of the engine will be gold. The valve cover, there's still a little dent in the side of the valve cover here. And as a matter of fact, another dent appeared somewhere on it. I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure nobody ever took care of these like what we're trying to do with them at this point. Of course, they've been around for 60 years, and mechanics probably ripped them off and on with pry bars and whatever. And they definitely got damaged, but they're nearly what we would call ready for painting. Mitch put in a good stint. This had a lot of dents around the outer rim, so now this is nice and smooth now, and it's also ready for a coat of epoxy. There was just one spot, as a matter of fact, yeah, I guess it's here where it had been dropped, and it took a really hard dent. So that's probably just going to be put to the back of the breather when it's installed on the car. The lower section of the air breather is all ready to go. The dents that were along here are all repaired and no longer visible, so these are ready. The cross member, we gave it another real good hard sand. When we bought it, it came in a primer. This is where it was all caved in, and now that's all been repaired, all welded, and this is going to go chassis black to match the chassis, of course. So I have to get in here. You saw Mitch was cleaning out the intake runners with this. I got to give this one out to my buddy Chris J. Ellis. So if you've never heard of Chris J. Ellis, go check out his channel. I will put a link in the description. This is just some coat hangers that were intertwined in the drill, and you just run them through the runners, and it knocked all the carbon and sludge and everything out of those runners. This worked really well. So thanks, Chris. That's second time you've sent me a tip that came in really handy. So go subscribe to Chris J. Ellis. He's almost 800 subscribers. He should have 1,000. All right. So the body, yes, we finally got back on the body. So we compartmentalized the body, and our plan is to epoxy primer this whole back section as one piece. So we focused all our attention on getting it cleaned up. We found some more undercoating jammed in a couple of these crevices over here, and we had to get that out because nothing's going to stick to the undercoating. We're going to get in and just clean this out with a bit more thinner and everything, but it's a lot better now. And then while Mitch was working on all the little welds, getting them prepped, Tim and I hand sanded with 100 grit or 120 grit maybe all of the surface so that the epoxy primer has something to bite into. We also did the firewall at the same time because the majority of that has already been prepped as well. So it's getting there. And if we wind up with some extra epoxy primer in the paint gun, we can just shoot it on the firewall at the same time. But it's getting there. Hope this isn't freaking you guys out. I'm not used to having help out here. So I think that's the majority of what we were after this time. Next day out, I'm hoping that we finished this. I know I found one more little blow-through hole up here, so we got to put a little tack weld on here because there is in fact a hole right there. And we'll get that fixed immediately when we start our day. Good job, Vanna. Okay. So, I believe that pretty much takes us to the t-shirt draw. I don't want to hang you guys up forever. So, did you bring the wheel?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, we will put the
Yep.
phone on a stand. Say hi, Vanna. Ha ha ha. We'll get this locked in. It is like beer o'clock or 5 o'clock here in Niagara Falls. And, oh, service with a smile. Thank you. So we have 13 names on the wheel, I think. Is that what you said? 13? Wait, she's getting the wheel ready. You have to come into view, I hate to tell you. Like, nobody's going to see the wheel over there. You're just going to reach. It's going to reach. Here's the wheel. Can't be shy. Oh, yeah. This is going to be an individual video, the restoration of the wheel, but I've removed all the rings that go in between the two different colors, and it's been scrubbed twice now between all of the hand slime, I guess, that would have been put on it for the 20 years the car was driven, as well as, of course, all the animal, we'll just say animal stuff that was on it. But you can really see that lighter part of the white there, and that's a much closer color to what the outside of the body will be when we're painting the car. So that will be painted the same color. Excuse me.
15.
Make me talk too much. 15 names. Okay, so there's 15 names on the wheel, and Van is in charge. You should see your name on there somewhere if you played the game. I did say you could win a hat. I did say I would give you a choice of a shirt, and I will stick to that. You just may have to contact me to let me know. Look how dark it got. How come you're all bright and I'm all dark? Is that a heaven and a hell thing? Wow, it doesn't like me right now. Okay, so here's the draw.
Push the button.
Oh, I can't even see it. Okay.
Is this person going to win?
And the first winner of the t-shirt / hat draw is...
Wait till it ends.
Mitch! Okay, that is... Get rid of him. He don't get to win a hat or a shirt. He's got lots of shirts and hats.
Oh.
No. What'd you do? Come here and put your name on there?
We're hiding Mitch.
We
Mitch
didn't
can't
put
be in
Mitch
there.
on the wheel.
Why is there no volume? Please hold.
There's no volume.
We have technical difficulties.
Talking too much.
Okay. Okay, so we're ready to spin again.
Are you sure?
Yes. Ready?
Okay.
We're spinning. Mitch is gone.
So the first winner, we're back to the first winner again.
First winner.
And I can't read it.
It's too bright out here.
It is... Is it done? Oh, it is done. Steve Z. Congratulations, Steve. You're our first winner. Now you just gotta let me know whether you want a hat or a shirt, Steve.
Okay, he's out of there.
Steve's out of there. Okay. And
how many more are we doing?
2 more. I said 3. Okay. You gotta get closer. Do you want me to push it?
Yeah.
I can't see though.
I can't be that close.
And the second winner of the draw will be... Man, this takes so long.
Too much work.
Can't read it. It
I can't read it.
is...
It's bright out here. Who is it?
Dana
Dana.
Z. Well, congratulations, Dana.
Dana.
You get your choice of a hat or a shirt. And we're
Number
looking
3.
for number 3.
Who's it going to be?
I almost missed. You moved it.
Well, I can't help it.
Can't be
My
a moving-
arms are tired.
Can't be a moving target.
Arms are tired.
Okay. And the last winner is...
Who's it going to be?
Looks like Kevin B.
B.
So congratulations, Kevin.
Congratulations, everyone.
Steve and Dana are winners, and you just have to let us...
Don't panic. You'll get your stuff.
Yeah, don't panic.
Don't panic.
So you just got to let us know what you would like, a hat or a t-shirt, and we'll fix you up. I also did mention we could do something custom this time, so you have that choice. And our day's done. All our chores are done. All our video making is done.
We have to call your mom.
Oh yeah, I got to call my mom.
Happy
Don't forget
Mother's
to call
Day,
your mom.
everybody.
It's Mother's Day. Yes, so happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there.
My cat didn't catch me a mouse.
And
Velcro
cheers.
is too old.
She doesn't. Well, she at least scares them off.
Would have been the only present I would have gotten. She caught me a mouse.
You got a drink?
I do got a drink. Huh.
Sheesh. Okay, so thanks a lot for playing along.
Thank you.
Thanks for everybody watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Chris J. Ellis's channel. And we'll see you next time. Maybe with some primer. Come on. Come on. Fingers crossed. I want primer. Take care, everyone.